stay in the eye. क्या बोलते रहा भाई कान्हा जी normal? Something I saw there. Yeah, okay.
Stay.
किसका था कोई तुम्हारे घर में था? I don't remember. Somewhere. Right, okay. For stay. Yes, stay. Right. She operated once. Again after some time, second operation. Again third operation. Then eye fellow got bored. She said something wrong with the ear. See, then she went to ear. Just now I said, I did not know at all. Ear. Again she got it. Ultimately by chance she came to me. By chance. I looked at her. It took half a minute. आपका आंख का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कान का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपका दांत का प्रॉब्लम है. And I treated for the teeth and this vanished forever. I think it's more than maybe 1 year, 2 years, it never came back. So we are the specialists for the body and the medical science is spare part mechanic for the organ. I know ball bearing, I know hardware, I know this, but they don't know the body at all. Went on trying this, and they forgot why it happens. There are diseases in the world, DMD. You ask any doctor in the world, you check internet. DMD means short death. All the children born out of that family will die at the age of 14 or 17, I don't remember, but all the children will die. Science is not able to understand so far why they are dying. And this man has already lost one child. The other child came to me walking as a monkey. Monkey, like today he is walking, going to school. His weight was 17 when he came to me. 1 year I think, his weight is 25 point something. आया क्या वहाँ पर कोई? हाँ? आया ना तो आगे आ जा थोड़ा. बच्चा भी है क्या? See, व्हीलचेयर नहीं है. ठीक है, okay. See, all this medical science is being proved. All the documents. I think this man has spent nearly 20 lakhs. Don't bother with income tax. Because you spent, gone. You got the money now, so what you will do? You got the money now, gone. अब क्या करेगा? नहीं. अच्छा कितना था तेरा? 16 किलो. Okay. 16 kg weight. Today is 25.4 if I write because day for student will check the weight. बैठ जा 2 मिनट बुलाता हूँ मैं. See, this is the father of the child. Father, and mind you, none of the people are paid. None of the people are giving any compliment to us. We don't accept compliment, otherwise my theory will fail. No compliments accepted here. Otherwise I may have attachment to the compliment, I may lose my theory. If somebody by chance gives some rasgulla without my knowledge, keeps it, the patient comes, I tell them to vanish and tell her all your friends have taken. I don't touch at all. Otherwise I will become weak. So diseases in the world, DMD, I checked up with doctor, 100% the disease incurable by any method. I think she has lost how many children? About 3-4 children here. 6 children she lost in Sri Lanka, this disease. And they say incurable. Document of the Apollo hospital, in some hospital, why this is not incurable from the medical journal is pasted there. It's not possible at all. But why not possible? Because they go for the disease, we go the cause of the disease. We don't cut the root. We don't go for root canal like mad root canal. We don't cut the root. We go to the root. That is what the difference. We go to the root cause. Why this has happened? Why this child is like this? Today I am telling you, whole world does not know why this is happening. I am telling you why this is happening. It's a science, which I never wanted to tell. I don't know why I am telling today. The previous birth, if the husband and wife are same species, same thing, their age, that's why this is nowhere in the world. This is science, nobody knows. That's why the blood relation, that's why this all, if both are dog, both are this, that age comes and that die. This is the reason nobody in the world knows this, and I am not bothered of putting patent, write all that, no, writing book, no, I am not interested. Because after me, somebody will misrepresent the book, make money in my name. I will get the power. Why I should write a book? I am not going to write a book. Otherwise, how it happens? इसने बोला था मरने के बाद में कौन मेरे को ऊपर आएगा पूछने के लिए रहे? How will come and check what I said? So I don't want to write book. We have proved that this happens. Disease like neuro, where totally brain gone, lost memory. Here is a patient who lost the memory. If he stops tablet, he doesn't remember the name of such big children. He just forgets the name of his child. Surya Electric, I got it, daddy. I got. See, this man is. See how we leave the tablet. You must appreciate the man. The doctor says that if you leave a tablet, you will lose the memory. See, now how we have guts to stop the tablet? Right? The force of the session. One line on that day, my luck. I said, मरना है तो पैसा खर्च करके क्यों मरते हो भाई, पैसा बचा कर मरो. And that word clicked, and from that day stopped. See, भाई जब मरना तो डॉक्टर के पास पैसा तो क्यों मरना भाई, अपने बच्चों के लिए छोड़ो यार, बच्चों के लिए छोड़ो. And that one line I don't know clicked and stopped from that day. Unimaginable. See, why you leave the money for your children, then you die. Why you want to? Whatever you eat goes for the welfare of, half of the food you take goes for the welfare of doctor's family, other goes for your wife's family. Whatever you eat, it goes for the welfare of doctor's family. That means wrong food, the money goes for doctor. Half only you eat goes for your family. I read somewhere, it's not my own. Whatever I said all along was my own. This line I read somewhere. So, how you get power for that? Can you believe single man? All these things what you see is no organization. Yesterday night, whole day I stood here, all this, my idea, done, work, everything is from my house. Everything from my house. How? A man can get energy like this from the patient only, not me. Anybody can get. If you are surrounded by all good bhavanas, you get energy. How is it possible? No organization, no contractor, no decorator. Somebody comes and it happens. Somebody comes in this, somebody comes in like this. Because all the patients are interested in putting their havan, some ghee. I can't accept the ghee, so they have to put here only. This is what the success, secret of success, bhavana of the people. Now if you say neuro, fits, the doctor says if you stop tablet for fits, you cannot. We have a patient, Srini Kumar, I don't know, is there. 16 years fits, 16 years. 16 years. And that man totally stopped. There's a Bangalore one girl. She was born in 1977. Fits, as per the doctor's science, as per the doctor's language, 1988 to 2005, all the leading hospital of the country, NIMHANS, National Institute of Mental Health, all that she has seen, fits could not be stopped. Today, 2005, she came to me. Till today, she did not get one day fits. She just fainted, not fits. Diagnosed on the phone that she slept with the, nose cover. Diagnosed on the phone, Bangalore. I said, okay, क्या हुआ भाई?